Yes, it's that G-Tal-D, and I'm back on your screen with another one, man. Now today, I'm answering a question I got asked in my Q&A. If you haven't watched my Q&A, go watch that, man. Card in the top right. Just do it! But someone asked me in the Q&A about washing your brushes, man. So today, I'm gonna tell you guys all about washing your brushes, why you do it, what it's useful for, and I'm going to show you how I wash my brushes, man. So make sure you like this video because I know it's going to help you out. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. We're going for 200 subs, so let's get it. And make sure you click the bell so you get notified next time I drop a video, man. Enough of these dirty brushes. Let's get straight into this. You know, let's go.
All even you I do for a decent house and a plate of food. Better pay, don't make the news. That's raw.
So the first thing, washing your brushes, man. Why should you wash your brush? Well, you have your hair and you have your brush. And in your hair, you've been putting products, you've been putting oil, your hair just greasy, it's oily by itself. You be walking around, you be getting dust in there, it's dirty, all that stuff. And you're brushing your hair, all right? And all of that stuff in your hair is gonna come off in your brush, man. So you're gonna get product in there, oil in there, grease in there, dirt in there, dust. Even from when you leave it just lying around, you're gonna get dust in there, right? And you might say to me,
well, if it's all in my hair, then it's cool if it's in my brush.
Wrong. You're wrong. You know why you're wrong? First of all, that don't make no sense. But second of all, when you wash your hair and your hair is clean, do you really want to use a dirty brush to brush it? Do you want to use a dirty brush to brush clean hair? No, you don't, because then you're gonna put all that stuff back into your hair. That's not what you want to do, man. So that's why you have to wash your brushes. So how frequently should you wash your brush? I would say wash all your brushes like at least once a month. I would aim to do that at least once a month, every 2 weeks if you have to. But if you use quite a lot of product in your hair, maybe every 2 weeks. But once a month should do the trick, man. You know, nice and easy. So that's it really. That's why you need to wash your brushes. That's how frequently you need to do it. So it's time for me to go show you, man. So in order to do that, I'm gonna take you guys upstairs. So let's go. Okay, so we're in the bathroom right now. Let's gotta give a little honorable mention to the dude. I told you the plug is 30, man. I know you see it. Leonardo Ruskin, link in the description. Go check them out, man. But yeah, let's get straight into this. So I'm gonna show you guys what you need to make this work, all right? So first thing you're gonna need a towel. Okay. Next thing you're gonna need shampoo. This is the shampoo I'm using. Cantu. Simple. A comb, preferably a thinner tooth one. I don't know what the official word for this is, but one that looks like this. After that, you're gonna need some water. So I'm by the sink right now. Boom. And then the last thing you're gonna need is some brushes, man. You know what I'm saying? What's the point of washing a brush if you ain't got no brush? So this is the brush I'm about to show you with, and then these are my other brushes. You know what I'm saying? We got the whole arsenal, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so boom. I'm about to show you with my Tremere soft brush, man. I know you see that. It look good. If you want one, link in the description. Tremere.com. Tal-D20 for 20% off. Don't forget it. But yeah, let's get straight into this method, man. So the first and most important thing, you want to protect the wood, okay? So do not submerge your brush in water. Hold it sideways like you see me doing, okay? Open the tap and then you want to wet the bristles, all right? Just the bristles. Do not wet the wood on your brush, okay? Don't do that. So once you've wet the bristles, you want to hold your brush either with the bristles down or sideways. Do not hold it like that. Don't do that, because otherwise the water is going to soak into the wood on your brush, which is not what you want. So now that I've wet the bristles, I'm gonna get some shampoo and put the shampoo on my hand. You see the amount that I'm using, all right? Nice and easy. Now once I've done that, I'm gonna take that shampoo and I'm gonna rub it on my brush, all right? I'm just gonna rub it into the bristles on my brush. Now you'll see right now it's not lathering up on the brush because it follows the same principles as when you're washing your hair. Because it's dirty, because there's dirt in there, it's not gonna lather up. So once you've done that, you're gonna do that for a while. Just do a couple seconds, you know, 10 to 20 seconds. Just really scrub it, you know, get it, scrub those bristles, you know what I'm saying? So once you've done that, next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna get your comb and you're just gonna comb out the big pieces of dirt from your brush, okay? Comb out the big pieces of dirt to make sure that they're all out of the bristles, out of your brush. So then once you've done that, you can then rinse the brush out. All right, rinse the shampoo out of your bristles. All right, again, remember, do it sideways, and remember, do not submerge your brush in water. So once you've done that, you're gonna get the shampoo again and you're gonna rub that into your brush. Now you'll see that it's gonna start to lather up because it's cleaner. Now there's not as much dirt and debris and grease and dust and all that stuff in the brush, so it's gonna start to lather up. So you're just gonna again get a good scrub in there, scrub your bristles, make sure they're all good, and then once you've done that, comb it out again. Just again make sure that all that dirt and stuff is out of your brush, and then you can rinse out the shampoo. All right, you see, it's a nice, quick, easy process. Washing your brushes doesn't have to be difficult. So once you've done that, last thing to do then is to put your brush on your towel. Now you see how I've set up the towel, and you're just going to put your brush bristles down on the towel. Okay, bristles down, so that when it dries with the water going into the towel and not into the wood of your brush. And that's it. Simple. Rinse and repeat for all of your brushes and you're good to go, man. So let's get back into the rest of the video. Okay, and that's it, man. Nice and easy, very simple process, very quick. You just repeat the process with all of your brushes, exactly the same as that. If you guys have any other questions on the washing your brushes process, let me know in the comments and I'll answer them as best as I can. Make sure that you like this video because I know it helped you out. I know it did. I know it helped you out. Do not submerge your brush in water. Follow this process and you'll be all good, man. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I told you we're trying to hit 200 subs, so let's get it. And make sure you click the bell so you get notified next time I drop a video, man. It's been that G-Tal D, wave to the world, and I'm out.